Guys, I'm back and I was able to use a knife to sort of pull this part off. I'm not a fan of these things they do these days. The 3D Fly had the same kind of issue where they do that. But finally got it out of the box. This is not promising. Looks like it's broken right there. So that kind of sucks. The mount came in broken. Alright. That'll be something I'm going to have to report to the seller. And after that, I still don't know how to get into this box. I'm really not liking the box on this. If I scratch the camera while trying to open this box, I'm going to be very annoyed. Alright, well that part finally opened, and they say this comes with a remote as well, but the fact the mount is broken, that really isn't good. There's going to be a whole bunch more cutting on this one. And so I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.